There's 5 types of hands, and we're going to look at all 5. What I would recommend is adding to your partnership, because this is a partnership understanding, types 1, 2, and 3 after this lesson. Then once you're comfortable with 1, 2, and 3, dive into the materials and add numbers 4 and 5. If you want to just add them all at once, hey, go for it. But it is a lot of information, and we will take a look at each one of these types of hands as well as practice bidding them. So again, you're in responder's chair. It's only responder's toy. Sometimes I see people, they ask me questions, would this be a negative double? And my first question back to them is, are you responder? Because it only belongs to the responder. You can't make this type of bid in any other chair. In other words, your partner has to have opened the bidding. And I know I'm repeating myself, but I want to make sure we got it. What chair are we sitting in? We're sitting in responder's chair. And there has been an intervening overcall. Okay, the 5 types, I'll just run through them here, and then we're going to break it down. Type number 1 is support for both unbid suits. Now that is the original negative double. Back in, I think in the 40s, 1940s, the negative double was developed, and it was only type 1, support for the 2 unbid suits. And as the decades passed, the scientists in the field of bridge said, you know what? Why are we limiting it to just 2 unbid suits? We can add support for the unbid major and partners opening minor. Oh, okay, let's do that. And then time passed, and well, why don't we show weak hands with our negative double when we don't have enough points to bid at the 2 level, right? There's been an intervening call and we're forced to bid at the 2 level. Well, why don't we throw those into the negative double? And time passed again, and type number 4 came up, 3-card raise of partners major with a limit raise, right? So they added type number 4. And then finally, type number 5 was sort of like, when in doubt, just make a negative double. And type number 5 is the opening hand, where you know you want to be in game, but you don't have a stopper in the overcalled suit. In other words, you'd like to bid 3-no, but you can't stop your intervener's suit, right? So that's type number 5. So quick run through, and that was the evolution of the negative doubles. We just went from 1940s up to 2021.